I really love using garlic in cooking. But every time it comes to peeling garlic, I feel completely frustrated. Peeling each clove one by one not only takes a lot of time, but also makes my hands hurt, and sometimes even breaks my nails. I used to think there was no faster way, until I tried many different tricks and kept the 3 simplest methods. The great thing is that almost anyone can do them, and in just a few minutes you can peel a large amount of garlic incredibly quickly without using much effort. If you also used to hate peeling garlic like I did, this video will definitely save you a lot of time. For the first method, I will warm the garlic like this. Just keep the heat at the lowest level. I only use about 60 degrees Celsius. Continuously stir evenly for about 2 minutes. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The gentle heat helps dry the outer skin, so it no longer sticks tightly to the garlic cloves. All right, now take them out and try peeling them. They peel much more easily. With this method, even a whole plate of garlic only takes about 1 to 2 minutes to peel, and your hands do not hurt at all. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When I need to peel a large amount of garlic at once, this is the method I use most often. In just about 1 to 2 minutes, I can peel up to 2 kilograms of garlic. The second method. Instead of sitting and peeling each clove one by one, I cut it like this. Each bulb only needs 2 or 3 quick cuts. This method saves a lot of time. After that, I put everything into this large tray. Add about 2 spoonfuls of flour. Now, I gently shake everything evenly and lightly squeeze it with my hands without using too much force. The flour helps dry the garlic skin, causing the cloves to separate on their own without needing to peel each one individually. After that, I shake it evenly and blow lightly like this. The skins will come off quite quickly. At this point, the skins are almost completely gone, but there is still a little flour left. So, I pour everything into a strainer and shake it a few times until it is completely clean. Done. No need to peel each clove by hand, no sore fingers, no broken nails, and in just a moment you have a large amount of garlic ready to use. With the third method, this way is even faster. It only takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to peel a whole plate of garlic like this. First, I heat a little water. Just warm water, not too hot, about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Then, I add 1 spoonful of baking soda and stir until it dissolves. Next, I soak the garlic for about 5 minutes. The warm water helps soften the dry outer skin, while the baking soda helps reduce how tightly the skin sticks to the garlic cloves. At this point, the skins begin to loosen on their own, making the peeling process much easier. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I peeled this entire plate of garlic in less than a minute. Ever since I started using these 3 methods, whenever I need to peel a large amount of garlic, I no longer worry about sore fingers or broken nails like before. What about you? Which of these 3 methods suits you best? Leave a comment with the number 3 and let me know. Besides the 3 garlic peeling methods above, there are still a few other tricks that are also quite easy and time-saving. For example, peeling by hand when you only need a small amount of garlic. Or even more simply, you can just take a glass jar, put the garlic inside, and shake it vigorously a few times. The skins will come off quite quickly without needing to peel each clove by hand. After peeling, don't forget to store the garlic properly so it can keep its aroma and stay fresh for a longer time. For the first storage method, I use this food container. I place a layer of paper at the bottom first, then I spread a layer of garlic on top. The layer of paper helps keep the garlic dry, so it is less likely to sprout. It also helps absorb excess moisture and reduces the risk of mold. The layer of paper helps keep the garlic dry, so it is less likely to sprout. It also helps absorb excess moisture and reduces the risk of mold. For the second method, I put the garlic into a blender. I usually blend it until it becomes smooth like this. Then I divide it into small trays so it will be convenient to use later when cooking. Then place it in the freezer. Whenever I need to use garlic, I just take out 1 cube like this. Extremely convenient. And if you do not want to take up too much space in the freezer, you can also put the garlic cubes into a zip bag like this. Whenever you cook, just take out a few cubes and you're ready to go. Sometimes, simply changing the way you peel and store garlic can save you a lot of time in the kitchen without causing sore fingers or broken nails anymore. What about you? Which method do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again in the next video.